Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to your daily update on Bitcoin. Overall, I would say it's still the same. I mean, right now, I will do a full update, all right? So with me saying it's the same, I will still do a full analysis. But if you look at Bitcoin right now, I mean, sure, we're getting some more bearish pressure, especially among altcoins. Bitcoin dominance is going up a bit, so that's also why I will probably give this video a title like emergency update, because something you should know is that right now the state of the market is that if Bitcoin drops down a little bit, some altcoins absolutely suffer. All right, so I already saw some panic in the Telegram groups. I don't think that's needed. I mean, right now for Bitcoin, we've been extremely bullish. All right, the funding rates across the markets are also again quite high, I would say. Excuse me. For Bitcoin, they're fine. Sometimes they're quite high as well, but overall they're fine. So I don't expect a huge crash for Bitcoin. But what is possible is that we actually spike down. I mean, for example, right now our main support level is right here at 71,500. And what we're looking for Bitcoin right now in terms of the technical situation is we look at it from hour to hour. Whether we can actually break above intraday key levels. All right. So, for example, right now it's very much possible that when 71,500 breaks, that we actually do get a significant pullback into 71,000, and potentially even all the way back into 70,000. I mean, I would say Bitcoin is very bullish. There's a lot of volume still in the markets, and Bitcoin on its own is still also very strong because of the fundamentals. And then obviously, I mean the ETF and the halving. So that's still true, but a pullback here and there is not bad, all right? You also need that. For example, the last time we pulled back Sunday to Monday, that actually caused this, or well, it didn't cause it, but that actually helped with cooling down the funding rates and actually pushing up Bitcoin even higher. So for now, again, for Bitcoin, I think if you're spot, you should zoom out, which this still looks very bullish. We can have moves of about how much percentage down I think is possible. I think we can have big moves down by like 5 to 8%. But even if that happens, I would assume that Bitcoin will hold its support and rally higher. I mean, if you zoom out right now, the stablecoin supply hasn't been this high in years. And then apart from that, just very simply, looking at the volume for Bitcoin, normally we would not have had a volume of $60 billion on a normal Tuesday morning, all right, where not a lot is happening. So in general, I'm very bullish on Bitcoin. And sure, on the 1 hour time frame, if you're looking at that, right now we can either break above 72,500 and rally up towards the 74,000, 75,000, which ultimately I do still expect that we'll do something like that, or we can drop down below 71,500. The end result, if you zoom out, will not be different. In the short term, like I said, it does seem that there's quite a high likelihood that we'll get some sort of a pullback. The markets in general do not feel very strong, and the open interest, where yesterday it was very strong in the morning, since then it has practically only fallen down a bit. So I would say a bit of a pullback is most likely here into 70,800, potentially 70,000. But from there, maybe after a consolidation, I do think we'll continue up. I have no indication that we will not do something like that. But those are my thoughts. I think that's what you need to know for now. Be prepared for it, especially for the effect a drop down to 70,000 would have on altcoins, which is that some of them will absolutely crash. But yeah, if you're prepared for that, if you have that in mind, it doesn't matter that much. Those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.